Hi everyone, my name is Nick. I'm from Australian Hair and Scalp Clinics, and in today's webinar, we will be discussing the topic of alopecia areata, and particularly how to get a fast hair regrowth result with this type of condition. So, firstly, just a quick introduction about alopecia areata. It's an interesting condition that where you've got inflammation that's occurring at the hair follicle, which actually causes the hair loss to occur. It's usually a problem with the immune system, where immune cells attack the hair follicles and then cause the hair fall, as you can see in the photos that are on the screen. So yeah, an interesting note about alopecia is that, and this is our first point here, there are different stages of alopecia areata. As you can see, the three photos here, this one here on the left is just quite a small patch, and then you can get larger patchy areas such as the middle photo here. And unfortunately, some people that have alopecia areata can actually lose, most of, or if not all of their scalp hair. So, there are different levels of severity with this type of condition. Let's move on to the next screen there. Sorry, screen's a bit okay, good. So yeah, with alopecia areata, the best way to start is to book a consultation with us to learn obviously more about the condition. I've just given you a brief introduction, but as I mentioned, there are different stages. As we've just seen, there are different stages of alopecia. So it's important to work out sort of what stage you're at, what's the level of hair loss, and also what sort of dosage of treatment you need, because our treatments have different dosages that are required depending on the amount of hair loss. So here at Australian Hair and Scalp Clinics, we specialize in a natural, drug-free, injection-free type of treatment. Most of the treatments we use are topical, so there are topical plant-based liquid serum that's applied to the affected areas of the scalp. So yeah, look, it's great news for people that may not be able to use standard Western medications for this type of problem. It is a good option. I mean, a great first option as well. But if you've tried the Western medications, the pharmaceutical medicines for alopecia areata, and it hasn't worked, then we are certainly this treatment is certainly worth looking into. And as I've mentioned, our treatment, it's plant-based, so it's a non-toxic, it's non-invasive, it's painless. We don't use any injections. There's no sort of pain caused when we're applying the treatment, and no need for surgery. So as I said, it's a great option for this type of hair loss condition. So here at our clinics, we've got some different types of treatments that we offer. So number one here, we can offer people a home use daily treatment. So what that means is we'll provide products, usually those liquid tonics and the tablets to use at home. So at home, you will need to apply the tonics usually once per day. Takes about 10 or 15 minutes to apply the liquid each day. It's nice and convenient, doesn't take a long time. It's fairly easy to use. So that's one type of treatment we offer here at the clinic. The second main type of treatment is our in-clinic treatment, which is a very unique treatment called the Scalp Detox monthly treatment. This liquid serum is more concentrated, so we call it a highly concentrated solution. And because of that, usually people only need to attend once per month. So it's very convenient to come in. You don't need to always apply the liquid daily, such as you would on the home program. So people can come in once a month. They come in, relax. Our staff will do the treatment. It's very comfortable. People come in and have a break from life for an hour or more. Most people love this treatment. Very rejuvenating, and of course, it's great for the hair regrowth as well. And of course, with the in-clinic detox treatment, there are different dosages that we can that we prescribe depending on what the condition is and what sort of the amount of hair loss that's involved. And the third option is a combination treatment where you could combine, using our monthly in-clinic treatments with maybe some of our home use treatments, whether that's using tonics and tablets at home or one or the other. So our trichologist will recommend what sort of treatment is most suitable for your condition. So that's why that initial consultation is extremely important, just to give you the best advice and give you the right type of treatment approach for your particular alopecia areata problem. And now I'd like to go through and discuss what type of results you can expect to achieve with this type of plant-based treatment. So we'll go through some interesting cases that we've had in recent years. So this case here, this woman, she's under 30 years old. She presented to us with five different patches, sort of patches at different locations on her scalp, which all came up at the same time. As you can see there from the photo on the left here, small one there just above the left ear, and then the right side, she's got a couple of larger patches there. There's one on the right side as well, a bit further up, and then one on the that one there looks like it's the frontal part. So what we did for her was we recommended her a single dose once per month in-clinic treatment. So that's that scalp, that detox treatment I mentioned before, along with using our herbal tablets at home. So that's 4 tablets per day. That was her particular dosage that our trichologist recommended. So it was a 10-month treatment for her between, here are the dates here, January 2020 to November 2020. And, we really did get some amazing results here. Oh, sorry, these are just some of the, just showing those angles again on the patches there. So, just that patch there on the top right, just above the right ear there, here's the after photo here, just an amazing result, just no patch at all, totally recovered. Here's that patch on the top of the scalp, once again, full recovery there, which is an amazing result. Over here on her left side, there's the patch just above the left ear, fully recovered, and on the right side here, just above the ear as well, we've got a total hair regrowth, which this client was amazed and very happy with with this result from for those 5 patches that she presented to us with. This next case is a male under 30 years old. Came to us with two patches there, just on the sort of right and middle side, just to the sort of behind the right ear here. There's one there and one there further at the back. And this is an interesting case because, as the heading states here, it will take time if the patch is totally bald. In this gentleman's case, there was no hair within the middle of the patch. So that's these areas here we're talking about where my little arrow is. So totally bald, and this type of condition does take a little bit longer. So for this gentleman, we recommended him the in-clinic single dose detox treatment. That's the once per month one. So that's 1 monthly visit at one of our clinics, plus 4 of the herbal tablets per day. Usually it's 2 tablets morning, 2 tablets evening. But this one took 12 months to get, as you can see, a full recovery. Excellent result here. But yeah, it took a little bit longer than the first patient that we saw. So great result here as well. This case here, yeah, the point of this one here is we can often get quicker results, as it says here, quicker results. Sorry. There it is. Quicker results can be seen if the patch still has some hair. So you'll notice that this area here where the lady is presented to us originally, there's a patch there, but there's still plenty of hair growing out of it. So it's not a total bald patch. So usually we can get a result more quickly. In this lady's case, we're talking after 8 months, we got this result here. All right, and yeah, this lady was under 30 years old. As I mentioned, just the one patch above the right ear here, and we used the single dosage monthly in-clinic treatment for her. No home use in this case, and after 8 months, this excellent result here. That's what we were able to achieve. Yeah, once again, this is another example of a patient that came to us with alopecia areata, but a lot of the hair had actually grown back. This person had used a different treatment prior to coming to us, and that treatment did help. Obviously, quite a bit of the hair did come back on this area here that you can see on this left photo here. But not fully. He didn't get a full recovery. So yeah, this person came to us. Yeah, this was about 3 years since he first sort of used the other treatment. Then he came to us, seeing if he could recover the rest of the sort of thinning condition there. And as you can see, we were able to successfully do that for him. So that was a great result. Yeah, this person, under 30-year-old male, and we were able to achieve this great result by just using our home use treatment program, which was using 10 ml, as you can see here, it says 10 ml per day of the home tonic. That's that liquid home serum that we recommend often for people. 10 ml per day of that each day, plus 4 tablets per day for an 8-month period. We were able to achieve this this great result. And yeah, in this case here, we have another female under 30 years of age. She presented to us with quite, just here on the photo here, on the December 2016 photo, yeah, quite a bit of hair loss here, fairly bald patch above the right ear. So yeah, this type of condition will take longer. It's a little bit more severe. The balding area is quite sort of wide. It's larger than some of the other ones we've seen, some of the other patches that we've seen from other people. But yeah, even so, we're still able to regrow the hair and get more growth on that where the patch was. And by October 2017, we've got a full recovery. Excellent result here, and we were able to achieve this by using the monthly single dose in clinic treatment, as well as using some home use hair tonics and our tablets as well. The treatment period for this person was 10 months, so pretty good result. Did take some time. just under a year, but the result is definitely there. The client was very happy with this, with what we were able to achieve in her case. Another interesting case here was an older woman, over 60 years of age. She presented to us having had used another type of treatment about 3 years ago, which actually didn't have much success at all. So yeah, she came to us obviously hopeful that we could do a little bit more than that previous treatment that she tried. And as you can see here, we've got a quite a wide bald patch there on the right, just above the right ear, this sort of temple region here. Quite a large area there. Yeah, so she came to us and we recommended the monthly single dosage in-clinic treatment for her. And she also used our home use hair tonics and tablets as well to achieve, this sort of result here after 10 months. So, look, we not a perfect recovery compared to some of the other cases that I've shown you, but still a lot more hair. If you look at this, there's my cursor here. Here we go. If you look at this region here, just a lot more hair growing. That's quite a wide area, so it can be a challenge to regrow hair when the patch is that sort of large. But if you're comparing this photo above here to over here, we're definitely getting a lot more hair, new hair regrowth there. So wonderful result for this lady who was really happy with that, with the improvement that we were able to achieve for her. Moving along here, this was a younger boy that came and saw us, under 10 years old. And as you can see here on his March 2017 photo, bald patch here on the frontal hairline, quite sort of, bald there, not a lot of hair growing in that area there, and also extending back into the middle frontal part of his scalp as well. So that patch was, again, quite an extensive patch that he had. And we applied the monthly in-clinic single dosage monthly treatment for this young boy. And as you can see there, by September 2017, so what's that, March, about 6 months, we're already getting plenty of hair growing. This is amazing. Really good result after about 6 or so months. And this second photo was this third photo was taken a little bit, not sure the exact date, but a little bit further on, and you can see the hair is just continued on to grow. So the initial treatment period was 6 months, and then I think he kept going with further treatment for this this excellent result here. So look, a fabulous result. And he was obviously very happy with the treatment. So was his mother. They were worried that there wasn't anything that that could be done for this condition. So we were able to really make a great impression on them, and they were very happy with the treatment. This alopecia areata condition here is one of the more severe ones that we have seen. Almost total baldness except for a small amount of hair here at the back part of the scalp. So this boy was also under 10 years old, and the treatment we used for him was an in-clinic monthly double dose treatment. So the double dose means we're using a stronger dosage of treatment. So it's two small bottles of our concentrated hair liquid, hair tonic, in-clinic tonic. So we did the double dose in-clinic treatment with him, plus some home use hair tonic as well. His treatment period was 18 months, as you can see here. So as we mentioned, if the condition's very sort of wide sort of affecting a large part of the scalp, a wide area is being affected, it's going to take longer to treat that. So this was an 18-month process for this recovery here. There's the original, here's the recovery. You know, once again, fantastic result. Look, it took quite a long time, 18 months, but you know, with patience and perseverance, we were able to, you know, recover this young boy's hair. So an amazing result there. So look, I think we've given you a pretty good glimpse as to what the Oz hair treatment can do for alopecia areata patients. It's a great treatment option. Once again, we do recommend booking in for your initial consultation if you're experiencing this condition, because, you know, we really need to sort of work out what type of treatment dosage and what type of treatment plan as well. Are we going to use just an in-clinic approach for you using the in-clinic treatment, or is a combined treatment better for you? Maybe some in-clinic treatment combined with the home use treatment. You know, we want to make sure that we give you the correct dosage and a dosage that's going to be strong enough to work well for you. So, you know, that initial consultation is vital. You have to have that done before you start any of our treatments, so that we get that dosage right for you. So we put you on the right treatment right from the beginning. So yeah, if you'd like an appointment, here are our details. Our 1-800 numbers there, 1-800-001-101. Feel free to call us for an appointment. Our email there as well. You can email us if you like. We've got a mobile number, which makes it convenient for people just to SMS us if that's easier for you. SMS us a time and day that you might be available for your consultation, and we'll check our availability and try and get you in to see us as soon as possible. There's our website as well, the www.ozhair.com.au. That website is a great resource with a lot of good information and really good videos to explain more about how we work, and also some great client testimonial videos as well, and more photos on top of the ones that we've showed you already today. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for listening. We really do appreciate your time. We know it's not always easy to make time in the evening with you know, different time commitments that people have, but we do appreciate it. And yeah, if you're suffering from this condition, contact us as soon as you can. I'm pretty sure we can help you. Thanks again for listening.